I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. What's up, you guys? It's the BA. Welcome to the channel where we cover all things related to careers and academics. Today I'll be talking about industrial engineering, what it is and how you can become an industrial engineer in South Africa. Firstly, what is industrial engineering? Before I give the complicated definition, let me try to make it simple. Think of a factory. We all have an idea of how factories work. It's usually people using machines to do stuff over a series of steps in order to produce a final product. An industrial engineer would come in to make that process better. He or she can do this in a variety of ways. For example, by introducing new machines or by identifying new skills for the workers to learn. Industrial engineers don't just work for factories, they can work for a variety of company types in a variety of industries. Pun unintended. Now for the more in-depth definition. Industrial engineering is an engineering profession that is concerned with the optimization of complex processes, systems, or organizations by developing, improving, and implementing integrated systems of people, money, knowledge, information, and equipment. Industrial engineering is central to manufacturing operations. Industrial engineers use specialized knowledge and skills in the mathematical, physical, and social sciences, together with the principles and methods of engineering analysis and design, to specify, predict, and evaluate the results obtained from systems and processes. There are several industrial engineering principles followed in the manufacturing industry to ensure the effective flow of the systems, processes, and operations. These principles include Lean Manufacturing, Six Sigma, Information Systems, Process Capability, and DMAIC, which is Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. These principles allow for the creation of new systems, processes, or situations for the useful coordination of labor, materials, and machines, and also improve the quality and productivity of systems, either physical or social. Depending on the subspecialties involved, industrial engineering may also overlap with operations research, systems engineering, manufacturing engineering, production engineering, supply chain engineering, management science, management engineering, financial engineering, ergonomics, which is human factors engineering, safety engineering, and logistics engineering. Now, what are the roles of an industrial engineer? Meaning, what is it that they do on a day-to-day basis? Well, what they do is they evaluate current manufacturing practices and identify those needing improvement. They manage production schedules and coordinate services to maximize productivity. They enforce quality control to reduce waste. They improve the efficiency of each production process. And they evaluate employees' tasks and responsibilities, identifying procedures or tools to improve productivity. Now, what are the academic requirements to become an industrial engineer? Well, to become an industrial engineer in South Africa isn't as complex as trying to become a chartered accountant or a lawyer. All you need is a college or university qualification and you're good to go. Numerous universities offer degrees in industrial engineering, where the entry requirements are pretty standard for engineering degrees, meaning an APS above 42, grade 12 marks in the following range, English home language or first additional language at a level 5, which is 60 to 69%, mathematics at a level 5, and physical sciences at a level 5. Generally, applicants who achieve level 6 or higher, meaning 70% and above, in the above-mentioned subjects stand a greater chance of being accepted. Each university has its own acceptance criteria, which might differ slightly from what I just mentioned. It's best to go on the website of the school you're interested in and have a look for yourself. There are also diplomas and postgraduate qualifications available for industrial engineering. It is a pretty standard field of study. There's not much to it except going to tertiary and then getting a job. The only reason I'm making a careers explained video on it is because it's a very interesting type of career that I have never really heard people talk about. And I personally only found out it exists 3 or 4 years ago. Like all other fields of engineering, after getting the qualification, you can get special titles like professional engineer or candidate certificated engineer, which I have explained in my engineering titles explained video. So click here to watch that video, or click here to find out how much industrial engineers make here in South Africa. That's it you guys, thanks for watching, and as always, mischief managed.